Good morning, here Rachna Arora. Today I will tell you about kidneys and kidneys problem. The kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organ on either side of your spine, below your ribs and behind your belly. Each kidney is about 4 or 5 inches long, roughly the size of a large fist. The kidney's job is to filter your blood. They remove wastage, control the body's fluid balance and keep the right level of electrolytes. Today I will tell you some yoga posture for kidney disease. So let's start. Firstly, we will do Manduk Asan. Manduk Asan, frog pose. In Sanskrit, Manduk means frog and Asan means pose. The final position of this pose resembles the shape of the frog, so it is called as Manduk Asan or frog pose. Firstly, sit in Vajrasan and make fist with both hands and thumbs inside. Place your fist on your belly next to the belly button. Bend forward with exhalation. Hold your breath in the yoga posture for a few seconds and come up with inhalation. Repeat this pose 3 or 4 times daily. Benefits of this posture are this asana is beneficial to all organs of the body and it gives you relief from diabetes, digestive disorder, constipation and kidney problems. Next we will do Shashank Asana. Shashank Asana or Bal Asana known as child pose. Firstly, we will sit in Vajrasan, resting the palms on the thigh right above the knees. Exhale and slowly move the torso in the forward direction. Bend from the pelvic region, not from the spinal. Keep the arms slightly bent and rest the hands, forehead and elbow on the mat. Arms must be in front of the knees. This is final position. Retain the position as long as comfortable. It could be practiced from a minute to 5 minutes. To go back in the base position, exhale and slowly lift the forehead. Arms to the vertical position. Lower the arms resting the palms on the thigh. Relax and take deep breaths. Shashankasan is helpful in getting rid of constipation, release the stress from the spinal vertebra. It is also helpful for kidney problems. Next asana is Ardha Masendra Asana. This asana is named after the yogi Masendranath. The name is taken from the Sanskrit words Ardh, which mean half, Masya, which means fish, Indra, which stand for a king, and Asan means posture. Bend the right leg over the left leg, placing the right foot on the outside of the left knee. Keep the toes of right foot face forward. Bend the left leg, bringing the left foot near the right buttock. Keep left foot's outside edge in contact with the floor. Hold the pose for a few seconds, about 30 to 60 seconds, as you breathe slowly yet deeply. This asana helps to cure a slip disc. This asana is also beneficial for kidney problems. Next, we will do Uttan Padasana. Uttan Padasana is one of the most important asana in yoga with lots of health benefits. To start this asana, lie flat on your back on your yoga mat. Breathe normally. Both your hands should be placed alongside of your body and your palm should be facing downward. Now inhale slowly. Try to lift your leg from the floor and keep your leg 45 to 90 degree from the floor. Your upper body should be parallel to the floor and try to keep your leg straight. Hold in this position for some time, at least for 15 to 20 seconds to feel pressure in lower abs. To release from this position, breathe out and slowly lower your legs to the floor. Now keep your both the hands alongside your body. Keep your leg straight and take a deep breath and relax. Now you can do this asana. You should do minimum 10 repetition of this asana for better result. Uttan Padasana is very helpful to prevent various type of stomach related issue. So those who have kidney problem, this asana is highly recommended for them. So all these asanas are very useful and helpful for kidney problems. Stay healthy, stay strong and get best out of life. Thank you.